Good morning, everybody, and happy Monday. Thank you guys for joining up. I hope everybody had a fantastic weekend this week. But man, this SPY is starting to pull back down a little bit so far this morning. I will say I have support down here right around 396.50. Looks like we're bouncing very closely to that right now. So definitely watch 396.50. It looks like SPY is bouncing up off of there ever so slightly. I am looking for puts though, if we can fall below 396.50 here in a pretty big way. So hopefully we can pull back down. But honestly, I'd rather the market go up. Honestly, I was really hoping for a big push up this morning, but of course, we are pulling back, which doesn't surprise me too much, especially with the craziness last week to the upside. But let me know how you guys are doing this morning. Let me know what stocks you're watching. I'm noticing Microsoft is selling off a little bit. Apple's not looking the best. Looking at my watch list here, I do have a lot of stocks actually down in the red, but I do have a lot up in the green, like some of these clean energy stocks like Enphase, FSLR is moving up. I'm noticing like Kroger is up today a little bit, KR. AMD had some really nice upgrades this morning for anybody who didn't see that. I put it actually in the Discord pretty early on. Well, yeah. Yeah, sorry, someone wanted to get technical with me in Discord, of course. But Manchin's technically a Republican. Okay, whatever. Sure. All right. We have SPY moving up here up to 398. Come on, SPY, let's go. Rick Sanchez pushing my buttons today. Oh, damn it, Rick. He's always pushing my buttons. Chris says good morning. Hey, thanks for joining up, Chris. Mike, hey, good morning. Thanks, Keisha. Jamie, I'm fierce. Thank you guys for being here. Man, Baba and the China stocks have actually done pretty well today here. Let's see. Baba, the China stocks. Scrolling down. I'm looking at, wow, just lots of these. I feel bad. Like Plug Power's pulling back. That sucks. What's DraftKings doing? Oh. Meta's probably down. Yeah, of course it is. That's not what you want. What about Tilray? Hey, Tilray! Running up. I don't know if you guys saw this from last night's video or not, but there's actually going to be a pretty big thing taking place tomorrow, actually, November 15th. They're going to have a congressional meeting titled Developments in State Cannabis Laws and Bipartisan Cannabis Reforms at the Federal Level. That is going to be huge. Bipartisan cannabis reforms at the federal level. That is exactly what people want right now. This is going to really help out the country, I believe, as far as, people getting in trouble for marijuana and stuff like that. Looking at some of these reforms at the federal level, obviously, they are classifying marijuana as like a very hard drug right now. And, people have talked about this for years, but they definitely need to reclassify this. They need to get that changed. And especially with states doing what they're doing now with legalization, this just has to be done. But this event will be going on tomorrow, guys. And marijuana stocks have actually been heating up a little bit heading up into this. Now, so far today, Tilray's up a little bit. CGC's up a little bit. Well, now they're actually in the red, but Tilray's up a little bit. You can see how in pre-market they all popped up ever so slightly. I wouldn't be surprised if they consolidated back down maybe for a day or two, but really watch this event over the next couple days. I think that this could really help and possibly shoot these marijuana stocks back to the upside, and we just need to watch this event because it's going to be a big meeting tomorrow. I'm sure that we're going to see some news come out about it at least tomorrow or over the next couple days, depending on how long it is. But Yeah, it sounds pretty crazy. I feel like that these stocks will definitely start to move, and let me know how you guys feel about these marijuana plays. If you think that that will end up being a pretty cool event this week, considering there's pretty much some pretty big news coming out with it. That's what I love about it. Hey, Bill says he says he agrees. There we go. Keisha says Chewy, Walmart, Target, Asana, CGC. Yeah, I'm trying not to really touch Walmart considering they have earnings tomorrow. But Chewy is one of my favorites here, Keisha. I know that one's really been recovering, but today, oh wow, good thing it's up. I noticed a lot of growth stocks were still falling off, so I was scared for them. Yeah, like Asana, kind of like how they're down too. CGC, Keisha says. Let's see, CGC. Very nice. Keisha says ABT looks good here. There we go. There we go. Hey, Keisha. Really nice plays last week, by the way. I saw those plays in the Profits channel. That was fantastic. We talked about them in last night's video a little bit too, but damn, Keisha, you're killing it. Keep up the great job. She says ABT looks nice here. Let's check it out on the daily. Looking pretty good. Definitely had a nice pop up last week. We hit resistance around 106, started pulling back a little bit. Not my favorite move right there, but overall a good move. Yeah, it's looking alright, ABT. They're definitely turning around on the daily, which I like. Intraday today, they're just very mixed. Does look pretty good, though. Hey, no problem, Keisha. You deserve it. I mean, you killed it. You killed it. Guys, I mean, I gotta show you a picture of what Keisha posted in the Profits channel here. This is insane. Look at this. 45,000 over the last month. 727%. That is... Woo! Let's go, Keisha. That deserves some W's, guys. 100%. Put those W's in the chat, because that's great. If ABT can break 104.20, it'd be nice, she says. Okay. We'll watch it for that. It's getting close. That is a pretty big resistance. 104.20 on the weekly. On the weekly. Boom. There's 104.20 for you. Right there. Pretty good. Little resistance there from last week. Definitely not bad. B Square says DWAC, big announcement tomorrow. Win big or loss? What's the announcement? Square, is Trump announcing his presidency? What's going on? Did he already announce? Did he announce yet, or I'm confused. Hey, W's. There we go, guys. Bill and I'm Fierce. There we go. Hyping him up. That's great. Keisha's been doing awesome. Frozen Boss says AMC. I feel you, Frozen. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. AMC is... Oh, what? It's up, but it's coming back down. That sucks. Frozen Boss. I like the name. Love the name. But yeah, good old AMC. It's kind of around support, right? Yeah. I mean, it bounced like right on support. Looking pretty good. It's definitely been coming up with these growth stocks, which I found very interesting, guys. I don't know if you guys found that interesting or not either, but that might be a good thing for AMC. You know, I'm not saying that, obviously, I don't think AMC is going to get back to 44 maybe, but hey, if it did, that'd be fantastic. Hell yeah, more W's coming in from Bill. That's awesome. I saw SPY starting to uptrend a little bit here. Starting to uptrend. Yeah, hey, B Square, let me know what that DWAC news was. Damn it, SPY's staying right between my levels here. My free day trade in the Discord today is perfect so far. So my free day trade today in the Discord has SPY under 396.50, which you can see we didn't really get under here. And then I have it up above 397.85, which is literally both areas of support and resistance today. So really just wait for the break. I mean, wow. That's working out very well right now. Yeah, this is awesome. Fantastic movement here. This is great. Just overall, I mean, it's not like stocks are blasting necessarily. Like, look at AMD falling off. I feel like we're just seeing decent price action, just decent movement across the market. GME is another stock that's up today. I don't know if you guys saw that one. Good old GameStop. I know you guys were talking about AMC for a little bit. Kraft Heinz is having a day. Hey, we'll take that with Kraft. Not bad. Let's see, Lockheed Martin. I know you guys were talking about the fake Twitter account in Discord a little bit. Kind of curious to see how Lockheed's doing here. Didn't want to really add too much fuel to the fire on that one, though. There's Costco blasting. There we go. 0.6%. Check out Costco, guys. Big retailer moving up. Do they report earnings this week? Nope. I bet they already did. Let's see. Nope, their earnings are coming up. 9th of December, it looks like, according to this, according to TradingView here. Sometimes TradingView can be wrong, though, I've noticed. Great movement, though, guys. This daily chart on Costco looks great. You know, I mean, it's nothing, like, you're not going to see anything huge. Like, you're probably not going to see big 5% days or anything like that. But as far as options go, Costco can be fantastic. Like, look, the stock went from 480 all the way up to 518. That is a, let's see, 20, 30, 38-point pop there for Costco. Imagine if you got into the 480 calls. Let's go check those out. Oh, Jesus. I went to my options chain and, ooh, things are rough in there. I was looking at ES futures and there was just like 1,000 things that popped up. It was funny. Yeah, let's just say you were trading like the 500 calls. Let's say you bought them on let's just say you got lucky and you bought them like November 4th. Let's see, November 4th. Okay, so you know, you could have got this maybe. I'm talking November 4th. You know, you would have got in somewhere around like 12.5, somewhere like that. Now the option's at 30. That could have been pretty good. You know, that's well over 100% there on Costco. You know, from like November to now. From November 4th to now, that would have just been like a 10-day swing. Really not too bad. You know, you made 100% possibly on those options if you got in at the right time. So just showing you that because I know people, they don't like to trade Costco too much, but you know, you can still make a lot on those options even though they're not the biggest swingers in the world. You know, they can have some good movement and you can still do very well with them. Bill W says he's watching Apple though along with Keisha. There we go. Keep watching it. I mean, it looks like it's falling off now. Oh, that sucks to see. I don't want to see that falling off. Not Apple, no. That's not good for SPY. Yeah, that's not good. Let's see. Are we going to fall out of the range? Uh-oh. We're falling out of the day trading range, guys. It looks like puts to the downside is the way now. Honestly, I'm not too surprised. You know, I'm really not. I'm not overly surprised in this. If it does keep going down, fantastic. I feel like it will. Honestly, I feel like the market is just kind of reacting a little bit to that big move last week. You know, I feel like we're just gonna flush down a little bit. Right now though, this does look like a pretty obvious move down. I just want to let you guys know that. Very easy rejections here that we can see. This is why I've been leaning to the downside this morning a little bit. Very obvious rejections right there. And now we're starting to break through big areas of support. So moving very well. Moving very, very well. Very, very well. We'll take that. Damn, SPY. Come on, let's turn around. I want to see a turnaround today, you know? I mean, you got to play for the pullback just because of how high SPY is, but like I'm hoping for a nice bounce up eventually. I will say I don't expect the bounce to happen right here. It'll probably move a little bit lower in my eyes still, but it's going to take a while, I think, to play. Come on, Meta. Yeah, always watching Apple, Bill, that's for sure. Hey, Alberto! Manipulation with an AMC is strong in my Sith voice. The manipulation with an AMC is strong. That probably sounds terrible. Yeah, it's definitely is strong, that's for sure. I feel bad this one came back down today though. It's definitely doing well on the day overall though. Alberto, I will say that it's definitely not the worst stock. Definitely not the worst one. Look at Palantir falling off though. That's definitely moving down in a big way. Let's see that SPY. There we go. I mean, you know, I was trying to tell you guys, you know, it'd be good to the downside, but I hope you guys are playing some puts here. You know, we had some pretty good, like I said, pretty obvious rejections today. It looked like a pretty obvious move down in my eyes. I don't know what you guys see as far as like this setup here with SPY, but whenever you see something like this where something gaps down and then it starts bouncing right off resistance like this the next morning, usually it just spells a bad move down, and you can almost tell it was like looking like it wants to drop, which is interesting. Like, I don't know how to explain that. Maybe I've just been trading so long that I can just tell by the look of it, but I don't know. It was really setting up that way, and these confirmations here are really what gave me the biggest indication. That just plus the way it was looking, you know, it matters a lot on like the way it's looking too, because like, you know, it could be hitting these resistances but then just like holding up real strong, looking good up here, rather than, you know, having this type of I don't know what you even want to call that, like a jackknife type sell-off pattern, you know. Like you can tell it pushes lower and then sells right back up, pushes lower, sells up, pushes lower, sells up. That's kind of like what's been going on here all morning. QQQ. Hey, if you guys are enjoying the stream, smash that like button for us and let me know which stocks you guys are watching. Do you guys see any big runners or anything like that today? It'd be nice to see DraftKings and Meta come back up. It looks like Meta is going green. There we go. That's looking awesome for us there. Meta's not bad. There we go. We'll take that back up to 113. Okay. Okay. What about DraftKings? Are you going to come up green for us too? Are we just having a little pullback at open before a nice pop? Interesting. Rick Sanchez says, wow, VIX is broken. Oh, yeah. I guess it is. I don't know. Let's put the SPY up here, too. That looks terrible. Yeah, VIX kind of is broken, I guess, isn't it, today? It does look pretty messed up. I can't lie. I don't know about you guys, but I'm just watching and waiting on my longer term VIX chart here. Just watching and waiting. I'm just waiting for another nice little bounce, and as we get towards the end of this wedge, I'm going to start watching for another big breakout to the upside. Just letting everybody know that now. Because look at this. Look at these past two pushes down into the edge of these wedges, okay? I mean, this is one of the most obvious one of the most obvious things that's happened consistently here on VIX that I can't believe people don't really talk about. I know some people they just simply just don't believe in setups like this, but hey, let them miss out. I believe a lot of algos, a lot of big trading things and trading firms and stuff. I believe that they look at a lot of stuff like this, especially algos. I believe either that or just simply traders see these big wedges and stuff, big levels, and then they start simply getting in at the right times too. Because in the end of the day, it's not coincidence. There's just too many circumstances of like wedges playing out, great setups forming and moving up. Like for example, a good head and shoulders or something like that. A good example is one with Intel here. Here's another one. Like very, as far as technicals go, like spot on almost as far as like head and shoulders patterns. What just happened there? Did I just move this? I just moved that line. I think I did. Yeah, I'm really looking for Intel to still keep going, though. This thing's looking pretty hot, too. Pretty hot. Got to find the good stocks today, though. Something running up with some heat. What has some heat today? DWAC, is that it? AMC, I guess? No? Beyond? The top of my watch list isn't helping me much. Oh, wow. Beyond Meat, guys. Wow, check that one out. Post earnings play still going up 4.2%. Looking good. Looking good, looking good. Pfizer's another one today. Pfizer's breaking out. Wow. Yeah, PFE's moving up. Not bad. Almost up to resistance. Kind of breaking it a little bit, actually. What level am I seeing there on Pfizer? What day is that? Pre-market on November 1st with earnings. Okay. Hate how these wicks don't show this. Oh, no, they do. It's just... on that 1 hour chart, it looks a lot closer. Oh, because it is. Yeah, the wicks just aren't showing that right. Cool to see Pfizer running, though. Very nice. One of the best runners today, that's for sure. Keisha says Asana looks good here. Got in last week and already up 400%. Jeez, Keisha. How do you keep doing these things? I know you're getting some pretty risky options too, but wow. Look at that, $16 support was perfect for Asana. Great moves, Keisha, wow. 1.8%, fantastic. Like you said though, 400% on your options right now. Talk about a good move here. Whew. Yeah, that's pretty insane though. Another 400% play. Smash that like button, guys. Smash the like button and give some Keisha some more W's because wow. Yeah, she shares some of these plays and yeah, they are fantastic, guys. Hopefully you guys pay attention. What are you looking at right now, Keisha? Any other plays? Any other plays? Hey, she says she'll post the receipts in the profits channel. There we go. Get those receipts going, Keisha. I'm gonna get that link here for everybody. If you guys aren't in the Discord yet, please check out this link I'm posting. That'll take you right to our Discord. You can join up, check out the Profits channel to see some of Keisha's previous plays. She likes to talk in there in the discussion chat sometimes as well. It's always fun to network and be around some cool traders. I know a lot of you guys are already in there, but ha! Bill says purchasing Keisha's watch list. Oh, it's funny. See how Kellogg's is doing. Not too bad. Walmart. Let's see these earnings this week, guys. Let's look at them real quick. So we're going to have Walmart reporting tomorrow before market open, along with Home Depot and Sea Limited. Even 10-cent music, which is interesting. Then after hours, looks like you have Advanced Auto. Wednesday, Target, Lowe's, TJX, Nvidia, Cisco. Got some pretty big companies there, even 10-cent. This is pretty huge, pretty huge. Thursday, you got Macy's, Kohl's, BJ's, Alibaba, Palo Alto after close, Applied Materials, AMAT, the ticker. Wow, even gambling.com. Oh, that one can be funny. JD on Friday, so definitely got some big stuff here reporting, guys. Be on the lookout. Nvidia is going to be my favorite, of course. I know lots of people are going to be watching these retailers ahead of the holiday season, like Walmart, Home Depot, Target, TJX, stuff like that. Yeah, Keisha's always talking about what she's playing there. Is it really? Oh my gosh, it's still green. How could this still be? How could this still be green? She's watching Abbott. You watching Abbott to the downside, Keisha? Wow, I feel like that looks pretty good down right now. I know you're probably looking at it up, though. Gety, what? Oh, Getty Images, interesting. I haven't heard about this company in a long time. Wow, I will say this, looking at this little setup here, I mean, not bad. They have earnings today, though. That's my issue. Or they did have them. No, they have them today. They have earnings today. Man, I don't know if I like this one. This one's tough. This one's tough. Keisha says ABT long-term up over the next couple weeks. So how are you looking to play that, Keisha? Are you waiting for green days to play some calls, or are you like kind of looking to maybe buy in on this dip. Hey, David says loading up on shares this week is going to be interesting. Yes, it is, David. We're going to see some pretty big stuff with the earnings. Number one, we have Democrats keeping control of the Senate, apparently. Congress is going to hold the marijuana hearing this week, which is going to be cool. So watch out for that hearing as well. I think people sleep on that marijuana news a little bit. How's Tilray? Are we back in the green yet? Damn it, Tilray. Get back up there. Oh, we need to get back up above 420. That would be nice. Come on, Tilray. Don't fail me now. Keisha says, yup, bought in ABT on the dip for expiration in a couple of weeks. Alrighty, Keisha. Well, we'll be watching ABT like a hawk. You've won every single play. Now watch this one not work out, you know? That's always how it is, Keisha, you know? You're always winning every single one, and then people are like, oh, man. I know exactly what you're going to say, Keisha. Butt cheeks on eggshells, though. On eggshells for some of these earnings, like Walmart. I will say, guys, big resistance at 144. Watch for that break. Just watch the break. It can happen anytime. It could be pretty good. Come on, Walmart. I almost couldn't even spit it out, Keisha. I was laughing. Hey, if you guys are liking the stream today, make sure you smash that like button. That'll really help us out here at Stocked Up. We'd appreciate that. If you really like the live streams, make sure you check out the nightly videos as well that come out on the regular Stocked Up YouTube channel. It's just called Stocked Up. Obviously, this one is called Stocked Up Live. But if you guys are enjoying it, go ahead and leave us a comment tonight on tonight's video and let us know maybe what your favorite play is. I will say, guys, we go over some pretty crazy plays. Let me get the play from last night up here just so that we can see it. I got it in my notes over here. So we were actually looking at the ARKK calls. Now, it's not that we're not looking at them for right now. I believe I actually wrote this down. Okay. So there was a $1 million put into the ARKK $41 calls, and then they also shorted the 4350 calls for December 2nd, 2022, making this a call debit spread. So essentially, they pretty much want ARKK to be up above 4350 is really the main goal here of this trade. And looking at ARKK, I would think that 4350 is definitely attainable. This is a free play from last night's YouTube video, and we go over either like 1, 2, maybe sometimes even 3 of these unusual options plays per video. Usually it's only 1, but sometimes it's 2. But these are usually some pretty awesome plays. Recently, we've seen some crazy plays with Walmart, where people were buying calls on Walmart down here at the bottom, and Walmart exploded up. We've been seeing a lot of other plays coming out as well. I think FXI might have had 1 or 2. We've seen some coming out on TLT. So these guys, they have a call debit spread where they want TLT to pretty much be between 103 and 113 by January 20th of 2023. So, yep, there's a lot of big plays out there. Look at this. There was $4 million put into this TLT play. And we talk about these in every single nightly video. So make sure you check out the nightly video. And if you want the opportunity to get into these unusual options plays, the day that the actual play happens, go ahead and check out the Discord link, and then go ahead and go to the Profits channel, and you guys can check out Stat Modeling. Stat Modeling will actually give you access to the unusual options plays and all the daily bot day trades and everything like that. So pretty cool stuff though, guys. We've been going over a lot more stuff on the YouTube channel, trying to make it more interesting for everybody. So hopefully you guys are noticing that a little bit and checking some of that stuff out, because some of those plays have been seriously fantastic. I mean, we've seen some really good pops lately. Keisha says she likes Uber too. Let's go. Let's go Uber. On what? On which one, David? Let me know. Let me know which one you meant. Was it the one last night? If it was the one last night, it was the ARKK, December 2nd, 2022. Go ahead and screenshot this. I'll give you like a few seconds to screenshot it if you want to right now, as long as that's the one you meant, but... Yep, there we go. Yeah, there was a big play, though, on FXI from last week, and that is exploding. It's still going up, actually, which is cool. Very nice there. Akisa said she likes Uber, too. Let's see Uber. Hey, I kind of like Uber, too. It looks like it's stair-stepping up nice. You know, you're getting, like, your good, stair steps. Hopefully we're moving back up now today. That would be nice for us. Awesome, David. Good job. Yeah, that'll be awesome there. I was wondering if I left it up for enough seconds, but good. I'm glad you got it off. Cool. Yeah, I kind of I was like, man, I hope that's enough time to screenshot. Got Uber. CGC Chewy, she still likes. Wow, look at Chewy. It came back today. Damn. Keisha, it's still going. What's going on? Is DraftKings coming back for us? Yes, let's go. Let's go DraftKings, guys. Holy, what's happening? Whoa. Wow, this is great, guys. We are seeing a lot of stocks blasting up today. AMC's now up 10%, guys. Like, it's getting back up to that high of the morning. AMD's moving, SPY's moving. Look at SPY all the way back up now. All the way back up above the upper level now for the day trades, which is interesting. Maybe play calls now on it. That would be funny. Asana. DKNG. Let's go. What is happening? This is such a great day. Really big turnarounds. Chewy, Keisha was talking about Chewy. We're popping back. ABT. ABT ain't coming back too much, but wow, I mean, we'll take it with Chewy. Yeah, Netflix is really flying. Oh, wow, I typed it in the chat now. Typed it in the wrong chat. Yeah, Netflix, 3.18%. How's Amazon? Damn it. I was hoping Amazon would be up. Netflix, though, 3%. You said you think Netflix is squeezing. Wow. Think it's short squeezing, huh? I don't know about that, but wow. Fantastic movement from Netflix either way. Look at that huge support down there. I drew this range down there a long time ago, and it's still been holding. This is what you call a very bullish recovery. This is awesome. What a great day, guys. Smash the like button. If not for me, just do it for the markets. Let's go. Let's try to get up to 15 or 20 likes. I know We got up to 20 likes last week. If we could beat something like that, that would be awesome. We're getting more great movement, so yeah, let's go. Let's see that SPY again, actually. Let's check it out on the 1 minute. Good old SPY getting to that high a day. 398.40 up there at the top. Come on, SPY, let's go. I think it was 398.48. Maybe something like that. Come on, though, let's go. There's Pfizer trying again. AMD coming back up a little bit. Carnival Cruise Lines here. Or Royal Caribbean. RCL. We have RCL, CCL. All these stocks, honestly, are doing great. Yep, look at CCL. It's a huge break to the upside. Let me get this just in case RK hasn't seen this. See good old Palantir. Yeah, let's go, David. Let's go. Gengar says, I don't understand why they sell, then goes back up, rather than buying and keep buying. Yeah, Gengar, are you talking about the squeezing on Netflix, or? I think it's probably just because they just know what's going to go on. You know, Gengar, like, overall, like, obviously, you know, a lot of the market movement is controlled by a lot of the bigger players, but still, a lot of the retail traders do still come into play, especially during times of peak fear like we've been in, where people just start selling out of positions and stuff like that. Like, I know a lot of people over the past few months who have gotten very scared and they've sold out of positions. Now, luckily, I've been through a couple of these types of bad market downtrends like this, so I'm kind of used to it. So I obviously wasn't selling out like a lot of people were, but yeah, a lot of people really freaked out and took some bad losses here over this recent downtrend, and it's rough for a lot of people. Yeah, it's definitely rough. And a lot of people are probably selling their shares back to a lot of hedge funds who are buying low. And yeah, I remember Keisha actually called out FedEx last week. Yeah. I remember you talking about it. I don't remember exactly when you talked about it, but I remember you talking about that one. She's up 500% on Asana now. Just posted it in the Profits channel. Jesus, let's go look at it. Hey, there we go. She's up like 2,400 bucks, 496%. That's awesome, Keisha. It's the Asana $20 calls. That's great. Man, that's insane, Keisha. That's amazing. Yeah, guys, check out that Profits channel if you haven't. That looks really cool. Let's check out FedEx, though. I know she's talking about filling that gap. If you talked about it on Thursday or Wednesday, Keisha, that would be awesome on FedEx. If you called it out Friday, it's good, but it's not the best. Just depends where you called that one, but still, overall, same great stuff. Keisha needs her own YouTube channel. Uh-oh. I will say, I hope it goes better for Keisha than it goes for most of the members who try doing that. I will say, Mike, I've seen some members go on some runs, then they end up actually doing what you're saying, and then it actually ends up just going to crap. But I'm not saying that's going to happen to Keisha. I'm not saying that's going to happen to her, but I've seen that happen to a few people before. I would think Keisha would be able to do it better, honestly. These people were very immature in a lot of ways. Maybe we could have Keisha on for like an interview or something. That'd be kind of cool. Keisha, what about an interview? Do you like to do that sometime? That'd be kind of nice. Get you on here. Haha, everyone's like, yes, do a Keisha interview. Oh, they're putting the pressure on you, Keisha. They're putting the pressure on now. That's funny. You're camera shy. Oh, it's okay, Keisha. What about just your voice, Keisha? We could just show your voice and just the screen. You know, we could always just do that. I hardly ever show myself on camera either. Maybe it'll make Keisha, maybe we could both like show our faces at the same time, you know? I don't show my camera too often either. I've actually been thinking about that a lot, guys, about doing that. I don't know how you guys if you guys like the cameras or you guys don't like the cameras. I don't know. I feel like with trading, you don't necessarily need them, but maybe you guys like them. I don't know. Spy's taking off, Bill says. Damn, yeah, it is. 398 and higher. We're almost up to 399 now. Bill says, I have a face for radio. Oh, shit. Oh, no. I have a face for the radio. That is funny, Bill. Oh, you got me laughing now. A face for the radio. You got me thinking about all the baseball announcers I'm always watching. It's always like, usually like some grangly old guy. Man, I remember the Cardinals. We had this old guy named Mike Shannon. Look at this. Mike Shannon. So the St. Louis Cardinals, this guy was, he was the St. Louis Cardinals announcer for like years. I mean, like, when I say years, guys, I'm talking like on the radio. This guy was the announcer from like 1975 or something all the way to now. You know, like he just retired like a year or two ago. And man, this guy would be on the radio and he would be so drunk and shit. It was so funny. He'd be like, and coming to the plate is Albert Pujols. You know, I mean, it would be hilarious. Like, now he didn't necessarily sound just like that, but you know what I'm getting at. Just it's almost like that movie Major League. If you've seen the scene on Major League where the announcer's real drunk and he's like, the tribe does it again. You know, this is like funny stuff like that. But yeah, David says break down some plays and how you found them and stuff. Okay. Can maybe do that if Keisha wants to do it. I'm not pressuring Keisha though. We'll do whatever she wants to do. How about Tilray again? Come on, Tilray, can you move? Can you move for us just a little bit? Albert Poolhouse. You don't want to know the other thing people called him, Bill. Just a bit outside. That's right. Poolhouse, yeah. She says, let me find time with work. I think you guys might have gotten her. Yeah, damn Meta. Let's go, David. Don't say damn Meta. Let's say let's go, Meta. Yeah, let's go. That is a crazy move, though. Damn. Great recovery up. We'll take it. We'll take it. I gotta get some of these lines off my chart, man. Hang on. Let's see this crap. Too many lines. I'll re-put them. There we go. What about these ones? Yeah, go on, get. Go on, get. There we go. Maybe I'll get rid of one more. Get rid of this one, too. How about that? Get. There we go. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Bill W. says, Albert played high school in the KC area. Oh, is that where he did it, Bill? I knew he did it somewhere around Missouri, but... FDX was a good day for Keisha, Bill says. Yeah, it really does want that gap fill, doesn't it, David? Let's see. Wow, yeah, huge move. I know, yeah, Keisha's been calling this one out since Thursday, she said. Right before that huge move Friday. Fantastic little pop. Great little play there. Good move, good move. Let's see any news. Are we seeing any news on CNBC today at all? Anything crazy? CNBC. Biden objects to China's aggressive approach to Taiwan in 3-hour meeting with Xi. Oh, wow. The meeting took place in Bali a day before the G20 summit is supposed to kick off. Wow, this is weird. Wow, so Biden met with China here. Very interesting. Had this come out earlier today. I don't know if you guys saw that. I didn't see that this morning when I woke up myself. He said college at Maple Woods, Kansas City. That's cool. Mike says, do it on a weekend like Mike and Hunter's videos. Yeah, we might, Mike. We actually don't do weekend videos anymore, Mike. Unfortunately, nobody watched the weekend videos, which was unfortunate. So we do post those same videos, though, during the weekday now. So check those out during the weekdays. Yeah, it's just, unfortunately, Mike, on the weekends. I guess, I don't know if it's just because, I don't know, our viewers are just busy on the weekend, or I don't know what, but either way, nobody watched on the weekends, which was unfortunate. But, you know, the weekdays have been getting a lot better recently, so that's good. YouTube's a strange place, Mike. You get some crazy stuff going on as far as like the data and seeing exactly how everything's growing and working and who's watching where, when, and all the types of stuff. It's kind of crazy, actually. What's even crazier is like Facebook ads and stuff. That type of stuff is really crazy. How you can get so in depth with targeting people with certain things, and oof. Sometimes it's like, man. See, Lockheed Martin. I know that they had that weird news over the weekend. LVS. Ha! Hey, that would be sick, Bill. A Keisha G Thanksgiving special. Oh my gosh. That sounds like something cool, Bill, actually. That sounds kind of fun. I ain't gonna lie. I could do that. I could do that. Keisha, what are your Thanksgiving plans? Let's have some turkey and talk some stocks. Oh, I'm just kidding. I'm not taking anyone away from their families, that's for sure. LVS up 1.4%. That sounds pretty cool. I can't lie, Bill. Corbin says, morning, sorry I'm late. What have I missed? What's popping? What's dropping, ladies and gentlemen? So it's a very mixed day, Corbin. I mean, it's a very mixed day. AMC was one of the bigger runners today, but it's just kind of hardly up. Netflix was a big one. This stock was moving. A lot of China plays like XPEV were running up earlier. Beyond Meat was having a very great day. DWAC was up. Futu. Futu. Some of these stocks just sound so weird. mRNA had a good day. Pfizer, ABT, Keisha's watching. We've been watching FedEx as well. FDX has been moving. Enphase is one of my favorites today. AMD kind of trying to hold. Oxy was upgraded today. They're still running. Meta is back into the green a little bit. Yeah, overall pretty volatile though. Overall, there is a lot of plays down though, so keep that in mind. Like Coinbase is falling back down. Plug Power's down. FSLY is falling. Zoom, Tesla is dying again. DraftKings is doing okay actually, but not the best. Amazon. That's the main rundown there for you. For you there, Corbin, sorry. NUE is the biggest mover on his watch list. Nucor Corporation. I don't even know what this one is. Wow, it's up right around resistance though. I'm definitely adding that on the chart. I mean, it's had like 3 bounces right here, so definitely eye this one up, guys. If it starts to break out, that could be sick. Keisha says KR. Let's see. Yeah, that's one of the cool ones I was watching today. Yeah, cool. Moving up. Good move, Keisha. One of the retailers. Moving better than Walmart, which is good. Kind of like a Target, I guess. Moving good, though. Have a Super Bowl halftime show. I don't know about that one, Mike. I don't know about that one. I gotta see the Super Bowl. But hey, I appreciate everybody joining up today. If you have any last minute stocks you want to see, just let me know and I can check those out for you. I'm going to go ahead and check out Tilray one more time real quick. Kind of coming back down. Spies pulling back. So, but yeah, I appreciate you guys joining up. Of course, Keisha with all the great plays lately. Let's go. Up like 45K so far this month. That's amazing. Mike Chang, Corbin, David, thanks for joining up. Bushing was in here. Love to see that. Gengar. Alberto, thanks for joining. Frozen Boss, I'm Fierce, Square, Krish, Jamie. Yeah, I'm Fierce. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for commenting so much and talking about a lot of stocks, of course. Thank you, Keisha, as always, for all the help, and thanks for being here. and fantastic week. I'm glad that you were able to get some nice W's going there. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. Have a great rest of your day, and of course, we'll be here tomorrow morning, ready for the market again, right at open. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's see how we can do. And overall, great week ahead of us. We're gonna have some big events coming up. These earnings are gonna be huge tomorrow morning with Walmart and Home Depot. So let's see what we can do. But so far, very mixed day, and yeah, let's keep killing it, guys. Post those profits in the profits channel. I know Keisha might be scaring you in there with her profits, but still post yours. I think you know, I know you're probably not at 45K like that, but overall, you know, little baby steps are a real good way to get there. You know, not every play is going to go up 500%. So just keep that in mind. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.